Okay guys, so I'm gonna work on this first slab and you see how much of it I've broken away. Don't know how well this is gonna work, but what we have here is a piece of angle iron that goes all the way across the steel. You can kind of see the steel there. My white balance isn't messing this thing up. We've got this strap, and the strap is the real El Cheapo junky strap that I got at Walmart. I've got it around my hitch here, so I don't know if this thing's gonna be heavy enough and not rip off my bumper or whatever. Is that the straps are just hanging on to the angle iron. So I don't think this thing is gonna slide. What I think is gonna happen is it's gonna pick it up. Once it gets up to a certain point and starts to fall, the angle iron, since it's just resting there, will pull off. And this thing will flip upside down. Once it's upside down, then I can chip away at the stuff underneath and expose the steel grate thing, and then hopefully weld on some pieces on there where we'll be able to hook on and somehow move this a little bit easier. But if it's flipped over upside down, this smooth surface will be able to slide better wherever we decide to put it. So yeah, now I'm going to hand the camera off to Crystal, and she's going to stand off to the side, so if the straps snap or break, she's not going to get hit with them. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give her a few little jerks first, because I have a feeling that because of the moisture underneath this concrete, we've got a suction effect, maybe, but yeah. Maybe these straps will just break or something, I don't know.
Nope.
Which tire is it?
You're right.
Right where the concrete was at. The concrete was too sharp. Well guys, that didn't work too well. So I'm gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm gonna have to bust this stuff up. Break. Yeah, looks like I got my work cut out for me, you guys. I don't know if some handheld jackhammer will be able to get through that or what. Oh, yeah. Yep. Looks like that's what I'm gonna have to do with this. Oh, I'm not looking forward to this at all. Yeah, I was kind of hoping I'd be able to flip it upside down. I could weld on some pieces and then pull it with the truck a little better, but yeah. Man, what a pain that is going to be. So anyways, I thought I'd give you guys an update. Some of you wanted to see if I could pull that out with my truck. I probably could have, but the problem is that it was, you know, it was getting hooked on the edge right there. And I didn't have enough oomph to lift this thing up. I put it in 4-wheel drive, and all that did was break the lines because of the sharpness of the edge. And yeah, so. But yeah, the other night I tested out the live broadcast thing on Facebook, and that turned out to be pretty fun. I had a few people over there. I'll leave a link down in the description, down in the description I'll leave a link. You guys can click on the link and go over to my Facebook page there and see the live broadcast that I did the other night right from my little tablet, which is kind of cool. So I've been working on this thing most of the day, busting the concrete up and that kind of stuff. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.